Hi all and welcome. Today I want to speak about inner guidance, how to follow your inner guidance and really get into that intuitive state of consciousness that is a state that needs to be accomplished in order for us to actually be our best versions. Now, what I've came to realize about the inner guidance was the fact that my higher self was constantly guiding me with pure positive feelings. And in a way, we gotta follow our heart, okay? We gotta follow our pure positive feelings because that is the energy of source consciousness. Source consciousness is actually love, okay? So I see that the more that I follow my heart and the more that I follow my intuition is the more that I actually get to manifest, is the more that I get to be in my true state of consciousness. Now, inner guidance happens and we are constantly guided by source energy. We are constantly guided by our source self. And usually it comes as a pure positive feeling. It comes as a smooth vibration. It comes as a short, small, intuitive feeling that is represented by love. Okay? So the first tool to realize if you really want to follow your guidance, you gotta attune yourself to love. Because love is our truth, love is our truth, love is who we are. Love is the energy of the universe. And when we operate from and as love, we cannot go wrong because love is the highest vibrational energy in the universe. Okay? When we operate as love, we open our heart, we open our energy, we open our senses. And I've seen that maybe it's not always easy to follow your intuition, but it must be followed. Okay? Your intuition constantly speaks to you. And really, when you get to actually respect your inner world, when you get to respect your inner consciousness, you realize that you are constantly being guided by your higher self. And really, the higher self is our true authentic version. Okay, the higher self is who we truly are in essence. When we follow the guidance from the higher self, we cannot go wrong. Okay, because it's like the higher self knows. Okay, the higher self is intelligent. And it may even see into the future, it may even see into the perfect circumstance, it may see into the perfect opportunity, it may see into the perfect energy, okay? So yes, the first tool, if you really want to follow your inner guidance, is connect to love, okay? Connect to love because love is our true essence, okay? Love is who we are. I believe that we are all one family, one source, one consciousness. And when we operate from and as love, we realize that we cannot go wrong. Now, the second tip that I'm suggesting is respect your freedom. Okay, respect your freedom, respect who you are, respect your free will. Okay, like this, you will actually get to increase your energy and increase your frequency in such a way that you will get to actually be free. You know, I believe that being free is our birthright, and we come here on the planet as free beings. What happens is the fact that the ego comes in, the chattering mind comes in, and we cannot really follow our guidance because the ego speaks too much, okay? So we gotta learn to actually listen to our own true self. We gotta learn to listen to that gut feeling, okay? I believe that the source consciousness and the guidance from the higher self is also in the gut feeling. When you feel like something is wrong, it means that that is actually wrong. When you feel like it's a no, then you gotta express a no out there, okay? So yeah, respect your freedom and realize that you are already free. Of course, we go through moments where it feels like we are being maybe in rough moments. We go through moments where it feels like we are being stuck in our mind and stuck in our heads, okay? But this is also okay to be experienced because we also have to look into the shadow, okay? So yes, while it's about pure positive feelings, we also have to embrace and accept low vibrational feelings like sadness, like the shadow, like pain and suffering, okay? Every feeling is okay to be experienced, even if it's negative, even if it's sad, even if it's traumatic, okay? Your feelings are okay to be experienced. So I've seen that if I respect my freedom, then I actually am expressing myself, okay? When I'm being free, I feel like expressing myself. When I'm being free, I feel like opening my heart to the experience of the present moment, and that is where the guidance is actually happening, okay? I believe that, guys, we are actually superhumans. We as conscious beings, we are superhumans, and we do have the power to create amazing realities with the consciousness that we have. Now, the third tip is listen to your intuition. Okay, when you listen to your intuition, you also follow your guidance. When you listen to your intuition, you also follow your guidance. And I believe that each moment actually gives us the opportunity to follow our intuition. Okay, the intuition must be respected, and the intuition constantly speaks to us. Okay, again, when you feel like something is wrong, it means that your gut is actually saying something about that. So respect your intuition, respect your inner source, respect yourself in such a way that you actually operate from and as love. Okay guys, so yes, there is always guidance happening. And yes, there is a higher self from my perspective. And that higher self actually speaks to us through our emotional body. Okay, it speaks to us through our feelings. Your feelings are constantly speaking to you, and when you listen to your feelings, you get to actually follow the guidance that is coming from the higher self. Now, I also want to speak about creativity and doing what you love. Okay, because the guidance is mostly based on this, in creativity and actually doing what you love. I see that the moment that I do what I love, I get to actually increase my consciousness. So it's about living free in a world that wants to keep us stuck, okay? In a world that wants to keep us stuck in the matrix. But we gotta live free, and we gotta respect our life purpose. We gotta respect our life mission. We gotta respect ourselves in such a way that we actually do what we feel, okay? So creativity, step into your creative space of consciousness, because I believe that each moment gives you the opportunity to actually be creative, okay? And you don't only have to be created in the physical, you actually have to be created in the spiritual as well, okay? You have to actually find those tools, find that consciousness, find that vibration that is actually resonating with you, okay? So you don't only create physically, you also create through the quantum world, okay? You also create energetically. So it's about really getting to actually take care of your own energy, and this is actually the fourth or the fifth tip. Take care of your own energy. Respect your body, respect your consciousness, respect your thoughts, respect your feelings. Be authentic. Okay, if we take care of our own energy, then we actually help make the connection with our true guidance. Okay, because I believe that true guidance is actually about purity, and it's about love, and it's about harmony. And it's about safety and peace and ease and love, okay? So take care of your own energy. This is actually the fifth advice. Take care of your own energy and see what happens. Go into nature, do the dance, listen to good music, okay? Create something beautiful for yourself, stay pure. I've seen in my own journey that I had moments where I was addicted, but I realized that I gotta stay pure. I gotta stay in my own space of consciousness. And even if it's not easy, and I may still have addictions, but I'm realizing my power, and I'm realizing that the power is within myself. Okay, so guys, yes, we are guided from source consciousness, we are guided from source energy. When we respect this energy, we respect the guidance that is coming from the higher self. And really, the higher self is actually your most important spirit guide, because it's who you truly are in essence, okay? So yeah, go within and see what happens. Respect yourself and see what happens. Respect your freedom. Operate as love. Step into a creative process and listen to your own source. Respect your free will if you feel that that's what you want to do. And really step into that spiritual gangster mode of yours and be who you're truly meant to be. Guys, thank you for watching. This was today's video about following our inner guidance. Usually it's easy to follow the inner guidance, but when we create resistance, then it becomes hard. Okay, so my suggestion is operate from the state of least resistance. And of course, even if you feel like you have resistance sometimes, that is also to be experienced, and that is also okay to be accepted. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and like always, see you on what is coming up next. Thank you for being here with me on my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, feel free to subscribe, leave a comment. Guys, thank you for watching this video about inner guidance. I love you so much. Bye bye and peace.